What's up, family? How you guys doing? Look, check this out. So I made my mind up, fam. I made my mind up. I'm giving you guys everything. I'm giving you guys everything that I know. I've been doing that anyway, but I mean, I'm gonna be vlogging. It's gonna be, you got, welcome to my life. The good, the bad, the ugly, the disgusting, the excellent, the everything, guys. I said I was gonna do it, but I made my mind up today that I'm going to be doing that like on a consistent basis. Every single day you will get an upload, and I'm gonna bring you some value every single day. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm actually doing in my life, like live time, guys. Like, so my little nugget, you're gonna see her. My wife, you may see her too. Like my family, you guys may see them. For everything, right? But I'm gonna make sure that I continue to bring value for each video. Like right now, I'm gonna go do some retail arbitrage, but first I gotta drop my sister off. She came into town and she was visiting, and she's going back to Thanksgiving. Going to Boston for Thanksgiving. Yeah, my whole family's gonna be out there. I'm not gonna be out there. Unfortunately, I have to work. I'm a stay-at-home dad too. You know, I watch my daughter. She's with me all day until her mom comes home. Her mom works at the hospital. But yeah, guys, I work so hard so that one day nobody that is close to me have to work. You get what I'm saying? And for my family, for you guys watching this, I want to see everybody win. I see a lot of you guys killing it in retail arbitrage, and then I see some people not doing so well. But here's the good news. Not everyone is going to win at retail arbitrage. Not everyone is going to win at private label. Not everyone is going to win at wholesale, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, Shopify, print on demand, drop shipping, Facebook ads, whatever the case may be that you're doing. Not everyone, not all of you will win. But let me tell you the best news about that. That is the good news, guys. Because just because you don't win on one thing doesn't mean you can't win on the other thing. It's just maybe retail arbitrage isn't for you. Maybe online arbitrage is better for you. Maybe private label isn't for you. Maybe wholesaling is better for you. Maybe Shopify drop shipping isn't for you. Maybe print on demand is better for you. You get what I'm saying? But I know that everybody watching me right now, one of those things will work for one of you guys, and some of you guys, all of them will work. So I mean, it's just you guys gotta try other avenues. Don't give up just because one didn't work. Try to figure out something else that will. And on this channel, I'm gonna show you so many things that I'm doing. Welcome to my life, the first official vlog. This is it. From here, it's gonna get real. Let's go, family. Let's go, family. Tell them, Nana. Tell them. She don't want to tell y'all. Let's go do some retail arbitrage.
Big time sale bumping.
Oh, shoot. Don't be mad at me, family. I was moving so fast that I forgot my freaking camera. Like, my sister was gonna miss her train, so like I had to go so fast, and I left both cameras, the GoPro and I left the Canon in my backpack at home. So I left both cameras, guys. So unfortunately, you guys are not gonna be able to see me in this one, but of course I'll show you the products if I find any in here. This is a new Goodwill, by the way. I've never been to this one. This is a new, you see? This is a new one. I've never been to this one. So we're gonna go in here and see what we can find. But you guys know I need my phone to scan, so I'll show you if I find something. Peace. I can't help myself, family. I can't help myself. This is the first product I found so far. It's going for $4.99, and it's selling in profits for $32. So I'll make about minus the $4.99. You guys can do the math right now. I've been thinking all day, even though it's simple math. So guys, this is the first product I'm gonna make some profits on. Way over 100% ROI. I'm making like $20-something profit off of this, guys. Yeah, that's the first item, and no lie, all I see is stuff, guys. Like, check this out. That big box down there. Hold up, there was another one over here. This right here, this little spiralizer. What else, guys? Hold on, this thing right here. So that's a profit. What else? Look, the food saver. I just checked that.
Sorry about that.
I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. No, this is in your way. This is not even mine, by the way.
Oh no, I missed the table being in your way.
Oh, you about to get the table? You need help?
Trying, yeah.
Okay, I'll help you out.
Thank
Okay.
you so much.
one of the workers needed help, so I just helped her out. There was something really heavy. But anyways, look at all these profits, guys. Look at all these boxes. Look at all this. Look at it. I didn't even scan everything yet. So look, this Goodwill. Look at, check this out. Boxes on boxes, guys. And then even the used stuff looks pretty official, like the keyboards, the TVs, the speakers. Guys, I mean, there's money everywhere right now. Look at down there, boxes. Like, there's money everywhere. So yeah, family. Yeah, family. I couldn't help myself. I had to show you guys. It's about to get crazy in here. And guess what? Another sucky thing. I forgot my freaking wallet. So I gotta use the cash that's in my car. I was gonna get some dinner from Chipotle, but I'm about to spend it in here. So hopefully that little, I think like 25 bucks I have, I'm gonna spend it all. Alright guys. Alright family, so I spent all my cash. I can't get no dinner. I gotta wait till I get home. Fam, I got bags and stuff. Well, not bags, but profits for sure. I got profits. I got profits for sure, guys. I ended up spending 20 bucks. I think all I had was like 25 some change. Ended up spending 20 bucks, guys. $20 and like 19 cents or something like that. And we got some items, and they have a lot more stuff in. I would have spent, to be honest, there was like maybe 6 or 7 more items in there that I would have bought. I just forgot everything. Like, that's the luck sometimes. And I'm a little bit further away from my house than I would like to be. When I drop my sister off at the train station, I'm never really in this area. So for me to go all the way back and come back, it'll probably be closed. But I will make it a mission to come here again, to definitely come to this Goodwill again. They're sleeping over here. They're sleeping, family. So yeah. So yeah, that being said, guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I got when I get to the house. Stay tuned. Okay, family, so I'm back from the Goodwill. I finally got the camera back. And guys, look what I got. So wait, before I show you what I got, family, look. I took my own advice today. That's exactly what I just was saying earlier. I dropped my sister off at the train station, and then all I did was I went to my Google Maps and I searched Goodwill. So it brought up the Goodwill near me, and it was about 2 minutes away. I drove to it, I went in. I've never been to that Goodwill before, and I made some profit. Man, if I would have had my wallet, I would have went in, guys, but all I had was a little bit of spare change. So let's see what I got. And that's what I'm talking about. You have to be just get out there. Like, if you have a car and you have a smartphone that you can type in, or even a GPS, and you don't do this, then you're just lazy. That's on you. That's on you. But let's see what we got. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna show you what I got on my phone. I'm not gonna scan it because I already saved it in my favorites, but I'm gonna show you the products and I'm gonna show you on my phone. Alright, just to save time. So let me get them out. Alright family, so the first product that I found, I showed you guys actually in the store, was this. I found this and it's brand new, guys. It's a router of some sort, I think. A wireless router, yeah. Alright, so let me open up my seller app to show you guys what it's going for. Let me see. Favorites. Alright, check this out, guys. So, as you can see, I don't know if you can see that. I don't know. Let me see if you guys can see that price right there. That is $27 in profit. There's the item right there, just so you guys can see. Hold on, so you guys don't think I'm playing. I mean, I don't know. The haters be thinking you joking around or something. But you see what I'm saying? $27 in profit. Right there, that's the first item. I bought it for $5. $27.61 in profit right there on the first item. Alright guys, so here's the second item that I found, and I have 2 of these actually. I'll show you. I got 2 of them, right? And if we go here it is right here. Same item. 1, 2, same item, guys. And if I show you the profits on this one, is $10.13, and I have 2. Hold on. Here it is. So $10.13 on that one, and I have 2, so 20 bucks profit, and I bought them both for $3 each. All right, there we go. And last but not least, guys, is this big thing right here that you guys see. I got it for $7.99, just to show you guys. I don't know, because I mean there's a lot of skeptics out there. There's the price right there, $7.99, right? You guys see that? And let me see where it's at. It's right here. The only option is to sell it as new, used, and I mean I think it's used anyway, but it has everything that it needs inside here, so I'm not really worried about it. Yeah, guys, I got that for $7.99, and I'm going to make, check it out, $27.29 profit, guys. I'm not even gonna count the change, guys. So I got one item for $27 profit. I got another item, well, 2 items for $10 profit, and another item for $27 profit. So right there is a total of 20, 40, 60, 74, whatever it is. I'll put it on the screen right now. And yeah, guys, quick. And all I spent was 20 bucks. I'm gonna make my 20 bucks back plus the profit, guys, and I did that in less than 10 minutes in the Goodwill. I did that in less than 10 minutes, and there were more items. I just didn't have my wallet, guys. But it's just that simple, family. I did that in like 10 minutes in that Goodwill. I'm gonna go back there because there's gold mines there. Like I said, I just didn't have my wallet. But yeah, if I can do this, you can do this. I'm telling you, just search the Goodwills in your area, go to all of them, and just go crush it, guys. If you're not family already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because this is gonna be happening all the time. Uploads every day, daily vlogs every single day. You might get 2 a day. You don't know how I'm feeling that day. I don't even know how I'm feeling that day. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell right next to it to get notified when I upload, fam. Let's go! If you haven't already noticed, down below there's a link to some warm-up merch. I call it warm-up merch because we got a lot of merch coming, guys. That's just the entrepreneurial merch. That's the merch for people who want to just live it, breathe it, wear it, think it, sleep it. Real entrepreneurs level up. For real.